Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn on post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today I'm staying in an Airbnb in Boston and I decided to save money that way and cook my own breakfast. So I went to the supermarket yesterday and picked up some stuff because there's absolutely nothing in this Airbnb. Like, these are the pots that I have to work with. Anyway, so I'm gonna be making it's called egg in a hole. So pretty much it's just toast and I cut out a hole in the middle and I put an egg in it and it just cooks. And I'm also going to be making home fries and bacon. So if you're ready to get cooking with stay tuned. So I have this potato here and I didn't think they had a potato peeler, but they actually do. So that's great. So I'm just gonna wash the potato and then peel it, and I'm gonna, because I want this to cook kind of fast, so I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, maybe less, I don't know, it depends on how much it needs. I want it to get a little bit soft, and then I'm gonna cut it in cubes and then do the rest on the stove. Gonna cut it in half so it makes it easier to cook. Bruh, this is a fucking fail. The potato just fell on the floor. Gotta work what you got here, because this is not it. To the bacon because I feel like it takes so long to cook, so we're gonna do that before we do the egg in a hole. Okay, dang. So to get the hole in the middle of the bread, all I do is just take a cup and press down with the bottom or the top part. This is a fail of a bread. These shits are so light. Let's show that again. I don't want it to break. This is pissing me off. There's no smaller cups around here. Same shit. Let's see if the wine glass works. It worked. Wine glass it is. Okay guys, so this is the final final product. This was a struggle, but there's the bacon, and this is the piece that what came from the middle. I just toasted it on the same pan. And then the potatoes, got some orange juice and a nice little wellness shot. So this is it. As you can see, like, fail. So cooking in an Airbnb when you don't have everything you need was a struggle. Legit struggle. Everything was sticking. There was not the right butter, didn't have oil, didn't even have salt and pepper. Like, this was a mess, but came out pretty decent. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like to see these cooking videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and stay tuned for more videos.